Hello everyone, welcome to RK Collections. This is Sushmita. If you are watching us for the first time, please to subscribe to our channel and to click on bell icon to get notified immediately so that you can watch our latest collections up to date. So in today's new arrivals, we are going to see these beautiful tissue kuppadam sarees. This time we have come with amazing color combinations in festive color combinations range. If you wish to purchase, please follow these 3 steps. Step number 1. Please check the code which is being displayed on the screen while showcasing the saree. Step number 2. Please click on the link which is given in the description box of the particular code. That will directly take you to the page of your favorite saree. Step number 3. Please add your favorite saree to the cart and to checkout. Please note, cash on delivery and WhatsApp purchase is not available at RK Collections. If you have any queries and questions, please do reach out to our customer support team. We will be glad to assist you. Before getting into the episode, we are going to check one of the best-selling sarees in today's episode. Let's see that now. This is the beautiful Banarasi Kora saree with this nice festive color combination of pink with sky blue. Let's check the saree now. If we check the top border, we've got this nice contrast sky blue border with this gold zari woven border in peacocks and flowers. We check the body, we've got this nice all over brocade pattern running throughout the body. Looks very rich and elegant. Let's check the bottom border. We've got this huge bottom border in woven gold zari. We've got in between these peacock borders, we've got this nice kari zari running throughout the bottom portion. Let's check the pallu now. We've got this dual shade pallu, richly woven in gold zari. Let's check the blouse now. We've got this dual brocade blouse with borders at the side, priced at 1620 only. This is the first pattern in today's episode and the first saree in the first pattern. This beautiful color combination of copper sulphate blue with fuchsia pink. Let's check the top border. We've got this nice contrast fuchsia pink border. On top of the contrast color, we've got this gold and silver lines running throughout the top portion. Let's check the body. That's the body. We've got nice tissue body woven in gold with copper sulphate blue. On top of this tissue fabric, we've got these flowers and diya booties woven in silver zari running throughout the saree. Let's check the border now. Bottom border. The bottom border is very bright contrast border, having this nice lotus border running throughout the bottom border. In between these lotus sets, we've got this kadi zari running throughout the entire portion. Let's check the pallu now. We've got this nice dual shade pallu, having this jacquard pattern running throughout the pallu, woven in gold zari. Let's check the blouse now. We've got this nice tissue blouse with borders at the side. That's the blouse. Priced at 1750. We've got much more beautiful color combinations available in this pattern. Let's check them now. Let's check the color combinations now. The second color combination, a very beautiful peacock green with fuchsia pink. That's the saree. The third color combination is evergreen leafy green with fuchsia pink. Let's check the next color combination now. Bright color combination of orange with fuchsia pink. Another pretty color, rama green with fuchsia pink. Very pretty saree. Let's check the other color now. This beautiful yellow with fuchsia pink. All the sarees have got this nice silver booties throughout the saree. And the next color is this rich olive green with fuchsia pink. We've seen beautiful color combinations in the first pattern. Let's check the next pattern now. This is the second pattern in today's episode, and the first color combination in the second pattern is this bright and beautiful orange with banana leafy green. If you check the top portion, we've got solid contrast borders throughout the top portion. And this is the body, a beautiful tissue body mixed with orange. We've got these tiny booties woven in thread in two different colors of bottle green and purple. Let's check the bottom border now. The bottom border is richly silver woven bottom border in contrast green. Let's check the pallu now. We've got this very rich thread woven tissue pallu. That's the pallu. Let's check the blouse now. We've got this pretty blouse, a tissue blouse in green with borders either side. Priced at $17.50. This pattern has also got beautiful color combinations available in this. Let's check them now. This pattern has got one more stunning color combinations available. This is it. This beautiful peacock blue with banana leafy green. This is a sari. We get to see one more third pattern available in today's episode. Let's check them now. This is the last pattern in today's episode. We've got to see this beautiful and bright combination of copper sulphate blue with bright pink. We've got short and long borders either side for this sari. On the top portion, we've got this solid pink running throughout the top portion. This is the body. The body is woven in tissue mixed with copper sulphate blue. On top of it, we've got this nice gold zari woven flower patterns and tiny peacocks running throughout the sari. This is the body. Let's check the bottom border now. We've got this huge, richly zari woven bottom border in contrast pink. We've got these nice peacocks and flower patterns running throughout the bottom border with this kadi zari running in between them. Let's check the pallu now. We've got this dual shade pallu. That's the pallu. Let's check the blouse. We've got this nice tissue blouse with borders either side. Priced at $17.50. We've got to see one more beautiful color combinations available in this pattern. Let's check them now. So let's check the second color combinations available in this third pattern. The subtle sandal yellow with bright pink. Priced at $17.50. So that's all for today's episode. We've seen much more bright color combinations and tissue weaves in Kupparam sarees. If you wish to buy, please log on to www.rkcollections.in. If you would like to visit the stores and shop, we've got 4 stores across Hyderabad. We've got 2 in KPHP, 1 in the name of RK Selections. We've got 3rd store in Dilshuk Nagar near Konak Theatre. We've got 5th store in Kottapet near Victoria Memorial Metro Station. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please click on the like button and share it with your friends and family. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, namaste.